Yes, so hope you can all see me. Shall we all start? You're good to go? Yes, it seems you're already ready. So first of all, I would like you to tell me what is that one belief that you want to change today? What is that one belief that you want to change today with self-hypnosis? If you're here for a reason. And most of you, I think only one or two persons who are curious and wanted to know what it is all about, but most of you already know that you want to work on yourself and you want to use this self-hypnosis as a tool to change your belief patterns. If there is any belief pattern that you want to change, let me know what is that. And if you don't want to type it for all, then when you're writing your message, choose it only for the panelist. So everyone will not see your message. It seems we have that option here, but I don't think if you're having any pattern or belief, which is we are all imperfect and it's okay to live with imperfections, and if you want to change something, that's a better news. So if there is anything, please write down in the comment box. Can you hear me now properly? It seems my volume was less. क्या आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं? एक बार आप मुझे यस दे दें ताकि मैं शुरू कर दूं, नहीं तो मुझे फिर से स्टार्ट करना होगा. ओके. सो आई गेट इट दैट मोस्ट ऑफ यू कैन हियर मी. तो आप क्या मुझे बता देंगे कि क्या वो एक बिलीफ पैटर्न है जो आप चेंज करना चाहते हैं? Or shall I first start? Okay, let me first start with the theory of mind and then later on you can tell me. क्योंकि अगर हम उस पैटर्न को, उस थॉट को, उस बिलीफ को ऊपर नहीं लाएंगे तो हम उसको डील कैसे करेंगे? इसलिए ये इम्पोर्टेंट है, अदरवाइज कुछ नहीं है. और 90 मिनट्स में इस क्लास में आप उसको कर पाएंगे ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है, बिकॉज अ सीड विल बी सोन टुडे. आप उसको नर्चर करेंगे तब वो धीरे धीरे स्प्राउट होगा, राइट? देयर आर नो मैजिक्स, but definitely this is a proven technique and you will definitely benefit from it. So let me tell you what the theory of mind is. So I have some restriction. यहाँ पर मुझे बोर्ड नहीं यूज करना आता, so let me make it for you on a paper and show it like this. See, this is our mind, which is very different from brain. It is not the brain. This is our mind. And how it is different, like brain is the hardware of the computer and mind is the software. I think this is an easier way to understand what is the difference between mind and brain. So you can't see the picture clearly. It's only a circle. There is nothing more in it. It's only a circle, right? So I hope you can see the circle. Mind is the software, brain is the hardware, and mind is, as the spiritualist and all the meditators, how they describe mind is, it's like a ball, a consciousness around us. And if we just get into this theory, we will spend days and days talking about this, but our purpose here is to have some focused learning and talk a bit about mind and brain and then move on to our main work, right? So there is a conscious mind and there is a subconscious mind or unconscious. Now we call it unconscious mind. Earlier we used to use the term subconscious, but now subconscious and unconscious, both terms are used. So most of you who are all into banking, into mathematics, into science, are using more of your conscious mind. Yes. And what does the conscious mind do? Does anyone have any idea what the conscious mind does? Everything is all right. I don't expect much from you, but if you know something, then please do write, because if we interact, then it is always better. Yeah, wonderful. It's logical thinking, it's reasoning, it's everything that you do, this like calculation and this logic and this reasoning, all of this is logical mind, and rest, we will talk about the subconscious mind. how much is the conscious mind dominating over our unconscious mind, or how big is the conscious mind? Conscious mind only occupies the 12%, and unconscious mind is 88%, like this. Now, can you see the picture? It's like this. The bigger one is the unconscious or the subconscious mind, and the smaller one is conscious mind. So the conscious mind is talking about reasoning, logic, and all of that, and how that reasoning and logic is happening. How from where do you learn reasoning? How do you know? Did anyone tell you, like, let me show you some color, like what color is this mainly? Did anyone tell you ये क्या रंग है, किस रंग का है, ये पेंसिल किस रंग की है? This is a particular color, right? This is a color, like it's a pink color, but somebody at some point of time told you this is a particular color, this is pink, or this is a pink family, because then there is this, and you will have similar, then you know that this is this family, this is another yellow family, right? So somebody has at some point of time told you, like, this is, I have to give you some basic examples before we move on to a proper learning. So somebody has told you that information is already there in your head, and when you see a color like this somewhere, then you immediately, your mind retrieves that information which was told to you when you were a child and you were learning to identify colors. Immediately you say, whenever you see that family, you say, this is a range of pink, light pink, dark pink, this pink, there are different shades. So this is how you're learning from your skill, from the environment. So there's one word, environment, we will use. Of course, how what does your environment consist of? It's your family, your first teacher is your mother. As say, first of all, happy Mother's Day to all of you, all the mothers present here. Okay, people who have connection problem, I will send you the recording of this. So please allow me to speak without any interruptions. So your family, your environment, your peer group, your school, and there's a lot of learning happening from everywhere nowadays. Social media is a big learning medium. You are learning a lot from social media. Your environment is your social media. Right now you're here, it is also a part of your learning. So I'm talking about the little child who is when born and who starts to identify and then associate. So you're learning by identification and association. How do you associate? For example, when you were 4 years old and every time you cried, your mother gave you a piece of chocolate. And when you smell that chocolate, when you eat that chocolate and you felt good, what do you associate the chocolate with? Feeling good. And also you're learning, when you cry or when you make a tantrum, you get a chocolate. So you're learning two things, that when you eat that piece of chocolate and you have that smell, and from all the senses we are learning. So you have that feeling of pleasure with the chocolate. So this is, you're associating this. Okay. So, and also you're learning that if you cry, if you make a tantrum, you will get a piece of chocolate or you will get a slap. So people who are, 40, 50 plus will associate, like, I will get a slap if I make a tantrum. And this generation will associate, like, I will get a cookie or a chocolate if I make a tantrum. So every time we are learning differently, right? So we are learning by association and identification. And once you learn, that is making your conscious mind. But when slowly, when you are younger than the 8 to 9 years of age, any information that is going inside of you is going unfiltered. आप लोगों ने चाय बनाई है कभी? चाय छानी है? अगर आप चाय फिल्टर छन्नी में छानते हैं, जैसे हम कहते हैं फिल्टर करते हैं, तो वो छन्नी जो है उस चाय पत्ती को फिल्टर कर देती है, सिर्फ चाय को नीचे ले जाती है, राइट? सो इट इज फिल्टर्ड. तो अभी एक क्रिटिकल फिल्टर नाम की चीज होती है जो कि बाद में बनती है, आफ्टर यू आर अराउंड 9 years of age. So before 9, every information that is coming from outside is going unfiltered. If somebody tells you that killing an animal is good when you are younger than 9 years old, you would register that and you would be okay if you kill an animal or somebody killed an animal, because आपको नहीं पता कि वो right and wrong की क्या है, डेफिनेशन क्या है, बिकॉज जैसे इंफॉर्मेशन आपके पास आई, जो आपको बताया गया, आपने वो वैसे के वैसे रजिस्टर कर लिया. So this is how the information is going inside of you, and after your 9 years, then a critical filter starts to build up, like the two lines in between. This is a critical filter. So critical filter banta hai. Now after 9 years, whenever something is told to you, you will interpret that information according to the already information that you have. You will combine both the things and you will filter whatever is told to you. अब मैं आपको बड़ा आसान एग्जांपल देती हूँ. जैसे अगर आप एक छोटे बच्चे थे और किसी ने आपको कहा कि you're not good enough, you're not loved. Okay, now you've given this message to yourself. सीधी बात पे आते हैं, मोस्टली जो इश्यूज लोगों को होते हैं. You're not good enough, and you're not loved. So you've given this message to yourself. I'm not good enough. I'm not loved. Nobody loves me. Why? Maybe because आप बड़े थे जब आपका छोटा भाई पैदा हुआ, तो आपको किसी ने चिढ़ा दिया कि इसी को मम्मी पापा प्यार करते हैं, जैसे लोग मजाक में कर देते हैं, या तुम काले हो, तुम मोटे हो, तुम ऐसे हो, तुम्हारे अंदर अकल नहीं है. जैसे कभी कभी पेरेंट्स कहते हैं तुम तो बिल्कुल बुद्धू हो, मजाक में या प्यार में बोल देते हैं, लेकिन बच्चा उस इंफॉर्मेशन को लिटरली ले लेता है, क्योंकि उसका क्रिटिकल फिल्टर काम नहीं करता और वो मैसेजेस उसके बिलीफ सिस्टम में बैठ जाते हैं कि आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ, आई एम नॉट लव्ड, बिकॉज आई एम अ गर्ल नो वन लव्स मी, और बिकॉज दिस व्हाटएवर यू से टू योरसेल्फ, जो आप मान लेते हो वो आप अंदर ले लेते हो. अब नाउ आफ्टर यू ग्रो अप, नाउ दिस इंफॉर्मेशन इज स्टेइंग सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. कहाँ रह रही है वो? सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में, जहां पर ये 88% है. राइट, ये जो 88% है, इसके अंदर दो तरह की फाइल्स रह रही हैं, प्लेजर फाइल्स और पेन फाइल्स. हमारे साथ से इतने थॉट्स, हमारे मोर देन 60,000 थॉट्स एक दिन में आते हैं. सारे थॉट्स हम याद नहीं रखते, सारी बातें हम याद नहीं रखते. हमारे अंदर क्या रह जाता है? ईदर देयर आर फाइल्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्लेजर और पेन. सो पेन फाइल्स और प्लेजर फाइल्स रहती हैं, और सारी रैंडम इंफॉर्मेशन वहां पर नहीं रहती. एंड इफ देयर इज एनी रैंडम इंफॉर्मेशन, तो अभी आप उसको अवेयर नहीं है, बट इट हैज टू बी कनेक्टेड विद ईदर अ पेन फाइल और अ प्लेजर फाइल. सो now that is a pain file, that is a hurt file. उसको पेन की कैटेगरी में रखेंगे, where you say to yourself I am not good enough, I am not loved. I know right now there are people who already have these issues. So उसको कैसे डील करना है, ये आपको आज समझ में आएगा. So now this information is there. Now after 9, 10, 11, 12, 20, 25, somebody proposes to you, you get married or whatever your age is right now. आप उसमें से निकल जाते हो. Whenever somebody tells you, oh you're very beautiful, you choose not to believe that person. Why? Because you already know I am not beautiful, I am fat, I am dark, I am this, I am that, I am not beautiful, I am not good, क्योंकि I am not loved. तो if somebody says I love you, आप बोलोगे oh really? I mean कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेने में कितनी प्रॉब्लम होती है. लगता है अच्छा सच में मैं, अच्छा अरे मजाक करोगे, तुम्हें मुझसे कोई काम कराना होगा. रियली हम इस तरह से सोचते हैं, और आप लोगों में से भी कई बार बहुत लोगों के पास साथ ये चीजें होती होंगी, पर हम इसको जस्ट इग्नोर कर देते. नो वी आर शाय, वी आर इंट्रोवर्ट, नहीं शायद मुझे कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेना नहीं आता. आपको आइडिया भी नहीं है उसके पीछे क्या छुपा हुआ है. उसके पीछे आपका कोई चाइल्डहुड का बिलीफ पैटर्न छुपा हुआ है, which is negative, which it has gone unfiltered in your subconscious mind. And whenever a new information comes that you're beautiful, you are loved, you don't take that information, because आपके नीचे कौन बैठा हुआ है? You're blocking, yourself blocking that thought that you are loved. तो अब क्यों आप, why are you not able to attract love? ये सिर्फ लव का एग्जाम्पल दिया. सी इट कैन बी अबंडेंस ऑल्सो, इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. जहाँ जिस एरिया में भी आपकी रुकावट है, वी हैव टू गो बैक एंड सी वेयर इज द प्रॉब्लम लाइंग. कहाँ पर रुकी हुई है प्रॉब्लम, कहाँ पर वो नेगेटिव थॉट बैठा हुआ है जो आपको ये मानने नहीं दे रहा that you are beautiful, you are good enough, you can be very rich and you can do whatever you like to do. So this is where the problem lies, right? Any questions so far? Am I going too fast? Any questions so far? इससे related अगर सवाल है तो please do ask so that I also know that you are listening. नो क्वेश्चन फाइन एंड इतना क्लियर है एंड मोस्टली जो लोग साइकोलॉजी के बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं उनको काफ़ी समझ में आ रहा होता है. ओके ओके okay, great. Thank you, Mandeep and Meenakshi, for responding. So you know there is information in the past. The belief patterns are already set. Means learning goes to subconscious mind, all files. Yeah, learning goes to subconscious mind as files, as pain or pleasure files. It goes unfiltered when you are below 9 years of age, approximate. It can be anything between 8.5 to 10, but this is an approximate age. किसी किसी की ग्रोथ पे डिपेंड कर सकता है आगे पीछे, बट मोस्टली छोटे बच्चों को अनफिल्टर्ड जाता है एंड वो सेटल हो जाता है एज पेन फाइल और प्लेजर फाइल. आई टेल यू. वापस आते हैं एक और एग्जाम्पल पे. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम सब यहाँ पर बैठे हैं. इज देयर एनीवन हु लव्स डॉग्स? क्विकली लिख देना. और एनीवन हु हेट्स, तो जो प्यार करता है कुत्तों को और जिसके घर में पेट्स हैं, यू कैन जस्ट राइट loves, and जो who are very scared of dogs, they should write scared. Is there anyone who's scared of dogs also? Okay, love. Okay, there's a person with scared also. So we have both kind of people. Now you will understand, right? Not a fan, but are you scared? No. So two people are scared and one person is neutral and rest of all loves. So आपको अब समझ में आएगा. Suppose we are all sitting in one room, though we are all in different rooms right now. हम सब अगर इकट्ठे बैठे हों और just a dog just enters the room, and that's a very very cute dog, or maybe बड़ा dog भी हो सकता है. Suppose a dog enters the room, what will happen? How will you all respond? How will you all respond? People who love, how will you respond to the dog? Even if that's not your dog, but it's a pet and it's like, the cute dog just enters the room. Okay, oh so cute, jump over and okay. See, one person will say, oh so cute, I want to cuddle you, and somebody will pet the dog, and somebody would jump over and run. So these are the two different reactions to one situation. Meenakshi will try to play with the dog, and Meenakshi Taneja will pet the dog. So most people are dog lovers here. लेकिन अब अगर किसी के साथ या उसके किसी आसपास वाले किसी पर्सन के साथ कोई बुरा डॉग से रिलेटेड किसी ने डॉग बाइट कर दिया, उसको एज अ चाइल्ड डॉग ने बाइट कर दिया, उसके घर के किसी मेंबर को डॉग ने बाइट कर दिया, तो उसका जो एसोसिएशन है विद द डॉग इज नेगेटिव. सो दैट पर्सन विल से, ओ माय गॉड, नो, मतलब मैं तो मर ही जाऊंगा और ये कुत्ता मुझे काट लेगा और फिर मुझे आप सारी आपकी ट्रेल चलनी शुरू हो जाएगी और मुझे तो इतने इंजेक्शन लगने पड़ेंगे, पेट में ये होगा, पेट में वो इतनी लंबी सुई लगेगी, एंड you will think about all those things. And others who love dog, they will say, wow, pet therapy and कुत्तों से तो स्ट्रेस ही दूर हो जाता है, and they are so cute and this and that. आप उनके पास कोई words नहीं होंगे. So these are two different reactions to one situation, right? So our subconscious mind has how our subconscious mind is working and how it is protecting us. We are born with flight and fight syndrome, and this situation where there is no fight with the dog, but flight is where you're scared of something, so you try to run away from the situation. एंड सपोज इसकी जगह पे, ये डॉग की जगह पे, अगर आप ये शेर होता एंड आप में से कुछ हंटर होते और आपके पास वो वेपन्स होते, वो भाले होते जिससे कि आप उस शेर को किल कर पाते, और आपके पास और कुछ खाने को नहीं होता, आपको पता कि या तो वो शेर आपको खा लेगा या तो आपको उसे मारना पड़ेगा अपना डिनर बनाने के लिए, तो आप क्या करते? जो बहुत डरते हैं, जिन्हें लगता है कि शेर उनको खा ही लेगा और वो तो बच ही नहीं सकते, वो भाग जाते. That is a flight syndrome. To save themselves, they would run away. And though others, जो कि fight कर सकते, who are very strong, and those who have the weapons to kill the lion, would go and kill the lion and get dinner for themselves. क्योंकि वो तो इसी तरह से रहते थे उस समय hunters. Just an example, समझ में आ रहा है आपको? तो this is fight and flight syndrome. How, so many times while you're driving, what happens, अचानक आपको ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं, मुझे यहाँ से मुड़ जाना चाहिए. So you do this and that's your flight, where you run away from that situation. Or sometimes you have to be there and fight it. Right? So these are also two things which your subconscious is already carrying. Right? So this is how, different same situation is getting different reactions from different people according to the belief patterns they already have, or according to the information they already have in their subconscious. This example was to show this thing. Is this clear to you? I hope this should be clear to you now. And there's a lot to talk about the theory of mind. मैं फटाफट से clear कर देती हूँ. अच्छा, आप in subconscious now you understand there are pain and pleasure files, and you understand there's a fight and flight syndrome, and then you also understand that we are coming into this life with some information from the last lives. This is also believed in this hypnosis. जो पिछली life से कुछ information आ रही है, which is in the form of some kind of fears, and mostly not fears, but in the form of phobias that you have, which have no known past. अब बचपन में ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं, but you are still very scared of something, or you could be attracted to also something, like आपका music बहुत अच्छा है, and from when you were 6 months old you were dancing to the tune of particular music, and कहाँ से आया वो पिछली files आप अपने साथ लेके आए. So some information is coming from the last life. We are not going deeper into that today. That's a part of past life regression. उसकी बात हम बाद में करेंगे. ठीक है? तो fight flight, और आपको ये आपकी जो learning है, आप ये कहाँ से सीख रहे हैं? Association, and you are learning by association, and then you respond according to that. Right? You associate your with certain thing, like जैसे मैंने आपको chocolate वाला example दिया. Is it too much information today? I'll be sending the recording of this video to you, all of you, through email. So don't worry if you feel that you will miss a point. तो ये तो हो गया. अब हमारा कॉन्शियस माइंड ऊपर हो गया, सबकॉन्शियस माइंड 88% है. अब 12% हमारा कॉन्शियस माइंड है, 88% सबकॉन्शियस माइंड है, जिसके अंदर पास्ट लाइफ की भी फाइल्स हैं, और जिसके अंदर वी आर गिवन विद द we have pain and pleasure files, and we have fight and flight syndrome. And और एक बहुत और important चीज बतानी है मैंने आपको. Your subconscious mind is 10,000 times more powerful than your conscious mind, which most of you don't realize. Is it something new information for you? क्या किसी के लिए, किसी एक के लिए भी ये information नहीं है? Your subconscious mind is 10,000 times more powerful than your conscious mind. And most of us think that our conscious mind, we are directing our lives with conscious mind. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमारा conscious mind ही हमारी जिंदगी को चला रहा है. And it's good. It is good. It's not about being good or bad. It is good to be logical, practical, and have reasoning and all. लेकिन खाली conscious mind से जीवन नहीं चलता. I'll tell you what your subconscious mind is doing. But you have to, if you want to know this information, you have to write down the comment box BIO. It is bring it on. So I will give you that information, and then we'll quickly do the self-hypnosis meditation. So I want to see how responsive you are. I hope you're not sleeping after your lunch. So, okay, wonderful, great. So what your subconscious mind is doing while you are learning with your conscious mind right now, your subconscious mind is helping your body digest the lunch that you just had. It is your lungs are breathing for you, your kidneys are filtering, your liver is breaking down the enzymes so that your body has all the good nutrition. The whole body is working, all your heart is pumping blood, and you're living because your subconscious mind is working endlessly 24 hours. All the time your subconscious mind is working for you so that you could think with your conscious mind and carry on your lives with your routine that you do, right? All the time your subconscious mind is working. It doesn't get tired as your conscious mind gets tired, because if you have too many message units, suppose ये class में आपको 5 घंटे की कराऊं, 5 घंटे में you have so much information that slowly you will switch off. You will say मेरी आंखें बंद हो रही हैं. कितने लोगों को क्लास में नींद आती है, कितने लोगों को जब लंबी क्लास हो जाती है you find it boring, like in history class and all you tend to sleep. Why? Because too much information is provided. It is all data, too much information. Your critical filter, remember I told you about critical filter, it is getting choked. अब वो और इन्फॉर्मेशन पास नहीं करने देता. आपकी चाय छन्नी, रिमेंबर योर चाय छन्नी, अगर आप चाय पोर कर रहे हो, नॉट इन योर हाउस बट द टी मेकर अंडर द ट्री हु इज मेकिंग टी 1000 cups a day, जब वो छानता जाता है, he doesn't have time to empty that strainer. So what he keeps pouring until the tea leaves start to spill over. फिर वो उसको निकाल से. So when the tea leaves start to spill over, that means आप मतलब वो जो स्ट्रेनर है वो आपका क्रिटिकल फिल्टर है, वो इतना भर जाता है कि वो जब स्पिल ओवर करता है, आप अजीब वियर्ड चीजें करने शुरू कर देते हो, आप अजीब बातें करनी शुरू कर देते हो, एंड यू से give me a break, I think I want a nap for 10 minutes, I think I want a break, or you sing a song, go out, breathe, do some pranayam, talk to a friend, आप अपना माइंड बदलते हो, बाहर हवा में जाते हो ताकि आपके कुछ मैसेज यूनिट सेटल हो जाएं. Now over a period of time, I don't have a glass, okay, anyway, if over a period of time आपके थोड़े मैसेज यूनिट कम होते रहते हैं, जो क्रिटिकल फिल्टर है थोड़ा साफ होता रहता है, बट मोस्टली भरा रहता है, जब पूरा क्लियर नहीं होता, देन व्हाट हैपन्स, तो कभी इतना स्ट्रेस हो जाता है, आप सो नहीं पाते, इंसोम्निया, पीपल हैव प्रॉब्लम ऑफ इंसोम्निया, and then people have so many other problems where they are restless and they're popping pills for depression and anxiety, because वहाँ पे जो beliefs पड़े हुए हैं, जैसे चीजें एक्सपायर हो जाती हैं और यूजलेस हो जाती हैं और हमको तब भी रखते हैं, तो कैसे वो हार्म करते हैं हमारे सिस्टम को. इन द सेम मैनर दैट इज हार्मिंग आवर सिस्टम. Our whole body is not at rest, and then you have high blood pressure and you have all kind of anxiety and hypertension and insomnia. इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम आपको होनी शुरू हो जाती है. Okay, this is very very important that you have to clear your critical filter so that you are more at peace. हाँ, बहुत सिंपल चीजें हैं, to most people I told that we are doing this class and it's a very short class, लेकिन उनको लगा अरे सेल्फ हिप्नोसिस क्या है, एफर्मेशन ही तो है. यू हैव टू टेल योरसेल्फ आई एम हैप्पी, आई एम हैप्पी, आई एम हैप्पी एंड आई विल बी हैप्पी. मैं 10 बार रिपीट करूंगा तो मैं हैप्पी हो जाऊंगा. It is not like that. Unless and until you understand how it is helpful for you, you will not do it properly. If you know apple is good for your health, you will eat it. But if you don't know that what apple is doing to your body, you will, probably not take it seriously. And also there is a proper way, proper time. Nutritionists would tell you when to eat that apple, after lunch or before lunch or early in the morning or before sleeping. So, there's a protocol for everything. So, like in the same manner, if you know कि आपके लिए ये चीजें कैसे काम करती हैं, तभी आप इसके ऊपर काम कर पाएंगे. अब this is not all कि आपको सिर्फ मुझे theory of mind समझाना है. Now actually हमें वो करना है, right? So आई थिंक मुझे लगता है थ्योरी ऑफ माइंड के ऊपर हमने काफी इनफ बोल लिया है. आई वॉन्ट यू टू टेक यू थ्रू दिस एक्सपीरियंस एंड आफ्टर दैट आई विल टेल यू, यू नो, आपको मैं मेल पे वो पेपर भेज सकती हूँ, और यू विल बी गेटिंग दिस वीडियो, यू कैन राइट डाउन आपको स्टेप्स क्या करने हैं जब आप खुद करेंगे, और आई विल एक्सप्लेन आफ्टर द एक्सपीरियंस. So if you are, if you just want to know कि क्या क्या steps हैं, मैं आपको बता देती हूँ, in the class will be over. But if you want to go through the experience, let me know. I want you to go through that experience. But before that, also you have to tell me which is like one belief that you want to change for yourself. या फिर मैं आपको कोई journal affirmation बता दूंगी अभी के लिए. And later on, जब आप बाद में करेंगे, तो आप कोई एक I'll tell you how to make that statement for yourself when you do it, right? So shall we start with the experience? Are you all ready? I hope there are no distractions out, around you. अगर आपके आसपास कोई डिस्ट्रैक्शंस नहीं है तो अच्छी बात है. अगर है तो उसका नुकसान हो सकता है. उसका नुकसान ये होता है कि while you are going deep into your subconscious, if something negative is fed at that time, जैसे मैं बोल रही हूँ और उधर टीवी में कुछ झगड़ा हो रहा है, तो वो बिलीफ अगर आपके अंदर चली जाएगी तो वो आपको नुकसान करेगी. So this is my duty to tell you, if something else is going on around you, then kindly just listen to it and don't practice. And if it is safe, you're all alone by yourself, then it is strongly recommended that you go through this experience. I'm sure you'll feel very, very good about it. Okay, wonderful. So करते हैं शुरू, right? Okay, great. So okay, it doesn't matter whether you're alone or not alone. Actually, what matters is you shouldn't be distracted and कोई और negative feed आपके दिमाग में उस समय पे ना डाल दे. For example, आजकल टीवी पे बहुत कुछ चल रहा है जो कि अच्छा नहीं है. Lot of sad and bad news are going on, so which is not good for you. So I don't want while you're in trance you should be having that information in your subconscious, because वो बाद में तंग करती है. Okay, but okay, so you choose what you want to do. Yeah, so there is no need to look at me now. You have to all close your eyes. Maybe I will read from a paper because I don't want to miss a point, though it is very simple. So okay, just relax your shoulders, take a deep breath, exhale. Now take another deep breath, breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Go at your own pace. Now, deep breath again, breathing in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. One more last time. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out all the stress that you have in your body and mind. Now get in touch with the physical sensation that is happening in your body right now. Whatever it is, heaviness, pain anywhere, stiffness. Mostly it has to be either heaviness or lightness or any other sensation in your body that you have right now. Now repeat this word to yourself 7 times. For example, if it is heaviness, then you have to say heaviness 7 times. I'm using this word heaviness. You may use your word, whatever you're feeling right now in your body. Heaviness, 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 heaviness. Focus on your breath. As you're breathing normally, just keep the focus on your breath. Your breath going in and out. Your breaths just going in and out. Now get in touch with the emotion that you have right now. What emotion is there right now in your mind? What are you feeling? Some people may just feel happy, overwhelmed, little sad. Whatever the emotion you are feeling right now, get in touch with that emotion, whatever it is. Now repeat that emotion 7 times. Suppose you are excited or happy, then say to yourself, happy, 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 happy. As you're saying, you focus on your breath. Just watch your breath as you're breathing normally. No deep breaths at this time. You have to breathe normally and watch your breath going in through your nostrils, going down up to your lungs and maybe up to your tummy, and then going out through your nostrils. Now, repeat this one word. Everyone will say this one word 7 times. Deep sleep 7 times. Deep sleep, deep sleep, deep sleep, deep sleep, deep sleep, deep sleep, deep sleep. Focus on your breath. By this time, your body is already feeling very, very heavy and lethargic. Focus on your breath. Now, repeat this affirmation. This is for everyone. I welcome positivity and prosperity in life. 21 times I'm counting for you. So speak with me. You can repeat mentally. I welcome positivity and prosperity in life. I welcome positivity and prosperity in life. I welcome positivity and prosperity in life. Allow the keyword go inside. It's possible that you have some resistance, but allow it to go inside this affirmation. I allow, I welcome positivity and prosperity in life. 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 I welcome positivity and prosperity in my 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 life. Now focus on your breath as it is going in and coming out, keeping your eyes closed. Now say to yourself, right now I'm saying it for you, you have to say to yourself, I bring myself out of this state with 0, 1, 2, and 3. Rub your hands, place them on your eyes, rub your hands till they feel warm, place them on your eyes. And you may open your eyes. And let me know how you all are feeling right now if you did this exercise with me. I hope you're not sleeping. Are you all around? Take your time. You can sip some water. You can get up and stretch. Okay, heavy in head. Too many message units already, so you need to do it. And you can have a cup of tea and you can sip some water. Yeah, it's okay if you did not do this exercise right now, Sukhbi, it's all right. So most people are feeling heaviness in a body, which is a little bit side effect, I would say, but not negative. Your heartbeat was fast in the beginning, but you feel very light now. Okay, see, there are some thoughts in the subconscious which we do not want to acknowledge and we do not want to talk about, or they are too painful to talk about. When you do these exercises, they are taken care of and they just go off and leave us more light and better. Okay, not sleeping, but you feel pretty much the same. Okay, did you do it? Did you do it? Who the person who's is not sleeping but do not feel anything? Okay, okay, great. It's all right. See, if you do not feel for the affirmation that we just said, because ये सबके लिए common था, तो इसलिए मैंने एक बात बोल दी. लेकिन अगर आप already वो आपके लिए matter नहीं करता या वो आपकी life का issue नहीं है, तो ज़्यादा difference नहीं आता. और मैंने आपसे शुरू में ही पूछा था कि आप मुझे बता दें कि आपको क्या एक belief पे काम करना है. पर उस समय मुझे लगा कि थोड़ा हेजिटेशन है लोगों को बताने में. That's absolutely all right. But now since this was for the learning and you learned the process, मैं आपको इसके जो है वो how to do it, ये 7 जो 3 times keywords बोलने हैं वो मैं आपको बता दूंगी. I'll send it on the mail. या आपको वीडियो जा ही रहा है तो you can listen this video again. और जो आपने इसमें जहाँ स्टेटमेंट डाली है where I said I welcome positivity and prosperity in life, अगर आपको ऑलरेडी ये इशू नहीं है या आप इसको आपको फर्क नहीं पड़ता, you're already feeling positive and prosperous, then you should be doing something that you want to change. अब आपको अगर आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं like if you are sad, for example, एक example दे रही हूँ, and if you're sad all the time, then you have to say that you don't have to say I'm not sad anymore. You have to say I am happy. Life is a joy. कुछ इस तरह की आपको statement बनानी है अपने लिए. First stiffness in back, then relaxed. After saying that 21 times again, some pain occur. Anxious all the time. Okay, Surbhi, so if you're anxious, so you have to choose what you want to get in your life rather than saying not anxious. कभी भी नहीं बोलना है हमें हमेशा पॉजिटिव कीवर्ड डालना है उसके अंदर. पॉजिटिव मतलब आई मीन वी हैव टू पुट एन एफर्मेशन. सो एफर्मेशन तो पॉजिटिव ही होगी. So maybe I'm relaxed, I'm joyful, I have trust on life. जो भी आप फील कर रहे हैं इन सब चीजों में जो मैं आपको सजेस्ट कर रही हूँ उसमें से जो आप फील कर रहे हैं you feel yeah this is good for me, आपको वही बोलना है 21 times. You have to write it down somewhere. नहीं तो हम आज एक स्टेटमेंट कल दूसरी बोलते हैं और सोचते हैं हमने स्टार्ट क्या किया था. ठीक है. Mandeep, I did not get any response from you, and I see there are a lot of other people, but Apurv was feeling heavy. Lily and okay, where are the other people? I don't see everyone. I see more number of people, but naam kyun nahi likha? Okay, so Apurv is relaxed, wonderful. See, right now, again, I said it's not magic that I will do something in this much time. This is an exercise. आपको ये अगर आपका कोई इश्यू है तो आपको ये तरीका है. You have to say your physical keyword, that was heaviness for you, which I said. Then you have to say your emotional keyword, the emotion that you're feeling at that time, and then you have to say your mental keyword, which is deep sleep for everyone all the time. ये नहीं बदलेगा. ठीक है. Okay, you said you felt heavy. Maybe I missed your message. Are you feeling heavy right now also? While I'm talking, तो भी देख लेते हैं. थोड़ी देर तक ये निकल जाता है because अगर there are too many thoughts in the head, so कभी-कभी वो उस समय पे ऊपर आ जाते हैं. Okay, now it's better. Okay, wonderful. Usually think people are willing to pay a lot of money for things, but why should they pay a lot of money to me for what I do? Is that I don't feel that I'm good enough, or should I use a statement for abundance? Oh wow, this is a good question someone has asked, that they want to know that this person thinks that people are willing to pay a lot of money for things, but this person feels that why should they pay a lot of money to them for what they do, because it is the person is feeling that is written I'm not good enough. Okay, so yeah, you can use a statement for abundance, and the statement that I just used, I welcome positivity and prosperity in my life, and also I welcome, you can just say, if you're using the word abundance, then say I welcome abundance in my life. I deserve, or I think it's more about deserving. Say I deserve all the good things in life. So, write down 4-5 statements and see which one you're attracted to more, and then repeat that 21 times. Okay, if there's any question अभी तक जो मैंने आपको कराया इसमें कोई सवाल है तो you can ask. जो लोग ये एक्सरसाइज करने इसके बाद करना चाह रहे हैं, they have to do it for 21 days minimum, because there's a pattern for how do you count in your fingers. 15 this and then 6. This is how you count. Okay, you can count even while you are in the state of hypnosis. You can still count. It's okay. Right, so मैं क्या बात करती, yeah, so every day you have to practice this for 21 days, because there's a pattern 21 days to 40 days, but mostly I say 21 days क्योंकि 21 दिन में पैटर्न काफी बदल गया होता है. आफ्टर 21 days आप उसको रिवाइज करके आप अपनी जो स्टेटमेंट है उसको चेंज भी कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज 21 दिन में वो स्टेटमेंट बदल जाती है. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स it's seen like even 3 to 5 days people start to rewrite their statements कि नहीं इतना तो हो गया, अब इतना रह गया टाइप्स. राइट, सो दिस इज हाउ यू डू इट. एंड आप अगर इसको सेम टाइम पे करेंगे तो अच्छा होगा. जैसे दिन का एक समय आप फिक्स अप कर लें, जैसे शाम को 7 बजे या रात को सोने से पहले, या यू डोंट हैव टू डू इट राइट बिफोर स्लीपिंग. आपको उस समय नहीं करना, और करते करते सो नहीं जाना है. कुछ चीजें जरूरी हैं जो आपको फॉलो करनी है, इसको करते करते सो नहीं जाना है. यू हैव टू डू इट एट सम टाइम, मतलब आपको अपने बेड पे नहीं करना, तो आप इसको अपने काउच पे, सोफा पे, चेयर पे कर सकते हैं. और एकदम इसके बाद आपको सो नहीं जाना है। एंड सेकेंडली आपको सेम टाइम पे करना है। हर दिन अगर आप सेम टाइम पे करेंगे तो अच्छा होगा। दो यू कैन स्टिल डू इट इफ यू आर टू बिजी, अगर आपके टाइम रूटीन अच्छी नहीं है, बट लेकिन अगर आप एक ही जगह पे बैठ के और एक ही टाइम पे करते हैं तो इसका रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा आता है। ये भी एक रिसर्च, ये अमेरिकन हिप्नोसिस एसोसिएशन में बहुत सारी रिसर्चेज होती रहती हैं जिसका हम सब उसको हम यूटिलाइज करते हैं। तो इस और वैसे भी हमारे इंडियन सिस्टम में भी द मंत्रास एंड ऑल दैट हैव बीन डूइंग फ्रॉम टाइम इमेमोरियल, वो हमें शुरू से यही सिखाते थे कि आपको एक समय पे बैठ के, लाइक इट हैज टू बी 5 AM in the morning, so every day at 5 AM, on the same आसन, यानी that means on the same chair and same place। तो वही वाली बात, सारी वही वाली बात है, वही वाली इन्फॉर्मेशन है, बट नाउ इट्स बीन रिसर्च, तो उसको हम ऐसे यूटिलाइज करते हैं, राइट। सो सेम 21 days 21 times this affirmation you have to repeat, and same time of the day, and do it। And if anybody wants me to frame an affirmation for them, so you can write in my WhatsApp that this is the issue and you want a help with framing an affirmation, I will write an affirmation for you। अगर आपको यहाँ लिखने में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, see, if you want to record first and then practice, putting on earphones will not be a self hypnosis, it will be still a guided hypnosis, though you can do it। And please don't do it for others right now, you're not equipped to do it for others। And we have a course of level 1 of hypnosis, just figuring out कि जो लोग सीखना चाहते हैं उनके लिए ऑनलाइन में क्या क्या सिखाया जा सकता है, बिकॉज मोस्टली मेरा जो सारा कोर्स था वो प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग पे था, वेयर आई वाज वर्किंग ऑन समवन एंड डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिंग on a student, and then other students would learn। And now I'm just figuring out, like in this lockdown period, from where I will get a model for my this thing। I won't call a guinea pig because for this I'm experienced, okay। So I'll figure out with some exercises जो आप सीख सकते हो और आप जो दूसरों पे भी कर सकते हो। और ये टेक्निक काफ़ी हेल्पफुल है, लोगों को काफ़ी ज़्यादा इससे बेनिफिट होता है। दिस इज़ a life changing technique, you can do it for lot of things, for your food addictions, for your habit addictions। So बस आपको अभी तो फिलहाल इतना सीखना है कि आपको you have to put an affirmation which you want, like that, which is your goal, वो आपको लिखना है, ठीक है। आई थिंक हमने बहुत जल्दी बोल के जल्दी खत्म कर लिया। और if there is any question you want to ask, because I was thinking that maybe theory of mind will take a lot of time, but I think we just did it in a playway method now, because I just saw we've covered everything for theory of mind, right? Yeah, more sessions on hypnosis, definitely we will be doing more sessions on hypnosis। This was the first online batch that I conducted for self hypnosis, and we did emotional freedom technique also। If you have not done emotional freedom technique, I am planning to conduct that session also in near future। And plus we did some meditation on the ancestral healing, relationship meditation। Some of you present here also participated in that meditation, and that was highly appreciated, because I think we all have some or other kind of issues। If you're interested for that, also let me know। And I don't want to send too many messages in your inbox and you feel there are a lot of promotional messages। So today, yes, आज शाम को 9 बजे YouTube पे ये मेडिटेशन मैं करा रही हूँ। देयर आर नो चार्जेस, इट्स ऑन यूट्यूब लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग। इट्स हीलिंग मदर इश्यूज। मोस्ट ऑफ अस हैव इश्यूज, though we love our mothers also, but sometimes we have some issues because हमारी mother ही हमारी first guide है, she is our first teacher। वही हमें सब, हमारे लिए God है, वही हमें feed करती है जब हम बिल्कुल helpless होते हैं। And then as we grow up, because she's the most primary contact that we have, तो सबसे ज़्यादा issues भी हमारे mothers के साथ ही हो जाते हैं। और life में अगर आपको abundance, prosperity या emotional health आपकी affected है, तो कहीं ना कहीं mothers issue कहीं childhood में affected हैं। So इसलिए आज on Mother's Day I have decided to give this meditation to people who are interested in healing their mother issues. I'll be live streaming that on YouTube. मेरा YouTube channel है Mystic Poonam, so you can go to youtube.com/Mystic Poonam. पूरे 9 बजे मैं उसमें लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग स्टार्ट करूंगी. आई एम नॉट एबल टू शेड्यूल द पोस्ट फॉर सम रीजन, there's some technical issue, but I'll be doing it right at 9 p.m. today, so be there if you're interested. And any questions related with this, any questions related with today's class that you want to ask, yes, you'll be getting this video recording. Commonly that I use, okay, see, this is what I have written. It's different for everyone, but I'll give you some examples. Like I am happy and peaceful at all times. I attract abundance, right? I live a healthy life. If you have problem with your body, your health, then I live a healthy life, right? And also you can say, if you're already going through some big physical issue, then when you say I live a healthy life, will not serve much purpose, क्योंकि आपको लगेगा आप झूठ बोल रहे हो. You're not living a healthy life. So I am, each and every day I am becoming healthier. This would be your affirmation, right? I am fit, fine, and healthy. I welcome positivity and prosperity in life. You know, there's so much that we can use, and for each and every person, could you speak a little about why this works? Okay. Oh, you didn't get the key message. Okay. Let me, answer to this question. Why this works? Okay, this works because the keywords that we speak are the physical keywords that you use: heaviness, 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 and the emotional keyword, whatever you say, like happy, happy, happy. जो भी आपने emotional keyword use किया, and then the intellectual keyword. These are the keywords that allow आपका क्रिटिकल फिल्टर को पास करके, जब आप ये 3 कीवर्ड्स बोल लेते हो, 3 टाइप ऑफ कीवर्ड्स, 7 ईच हो गए, 21 कीवर्ड्स बोल लिए आपने. Like you said heavy, 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 and then you said happy, 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 and then you said deep sleep, deep sleep, deep sleep. जब आपने ये keywords बोल लिए, then your critical filter, उसकी चाबी खुल जाती है, the master key, and the affirmation that you give goes right inside your subconscious mind. जो आपका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड अदरवाइज ब्लॉक कर रहा था, अब जब वो कीज आपने मास्टर की लगा दी और वो चली गई, तो वो it just goes right into your subconscious mind, and the other beliefs that are lying there, जिनकी जरूरत नहीं थी, जो unnecessary थी, which was saying कि no, that you're not good enough, like somebody was feeling for prosperity and abundance and things like that. So all those the belief patterns that were staying there, they will get shaken, और फिर वो बाहर निकल जाएंगे टूट के, क्योंकि हर दिन हम बोल रहे होंगे for next 21 days, 21 बार वो affirmation हम डाल रहे होंगे, so that will be replaced. So this is how it works, because your critical filter gives way to these this new information which it was not allowing otherwise, and this is how it works, right? I don't know, I think I have not answered you very technically, but right now that's not possible in this class. Then you have to learn the whole technique of how hypnosis works and what have different psychologists and hypnotists have said, and the theories, different theories, and we'll get into the technicality of it. So we focus more on the practical part of it. But yeah, this is how it works. Your critical filters gives way to the affirmations which are coming after the 3 type of keywords that you speak: physical keyword, intellect, emotional keyword, and physical, emotional, and intellectual. Rasika, I told you I'll be sending, I'll be scanning this page where I've written this, the process on a page. I will be sending this page on your email, or maybe if you can say, I can just take a click and send it on your WhatsApp, because if I send it here, it will not stay. The chat will not stay even when I send the video, so it will not serve the purpose, right? So I have not shared this here right now. I will be, if you all want, I can just send it, take a click and send it in the group on WhatsApp so that it's handy. Good for you, Rasika? Okay. Any other question you want to ask related with this? Like, have you all understood the process, how to go about it? And have you all decided that you are going to do it every day? Who all have decided that you're going to work for next 20? Okay, good, Mandeep, happy for you. Good, Minakshi, Rasika, you can do it. Don't mix modalities. Yes, you can, but okay, wonderful. So most of you have said yes to it, and hopefully, and please do share your feedback. I'm not dissolving the group. 1 or 2 people are not there in the group. I'm going to add them to the group, and I want you to give me a feedback. And if there is any obstacle coming while you're practicing this, let me know. And if you don't know how to design a statement or affirmation, then do let me know in my WhatsApp personal inbox. If you don't want to share in the books, it's absolutely in the group, it's absolutely all right. I will help you design the affirmation, but don't go for the general affirmation. I can give you a list of 100,000 affirmations. There's no point. If if you're working on an issue, please work on one issue and then move on to the other. If you have multiple issues, choose what is important for you, work on that, and then move on to the second one. Okay. So shall we end the session? If there are no more questions, I'm very happy with the responsive group. I hope you all practiced and you're all writing messages. I'm very happy. So definitely I'll be sending this video to you all, and this click of this page. Okay. Thank you very much for joining in, and I will post you about the future workshops. Okay, somebody has asked about weight, so you want me to wait and tell you? You can work on the weight, how we work on the weight issues, whether we are doing it for weight with any of the modalities that you're using. You have to see 2 things. If there's a lack of exercise, one. Second is your food. If you're addicted to something which you already know yourself, are you eating too much of fried food or sweet food, or too much of processed foods? If you're addicted to something, then please work for the addiction. Don't ever say like my weight is going down. First work on the addiction. Go step by step. Though you can do it, but that's you need a hypnotherapist help if you want to do it directly for the weight. So do it for your food addiction and do it for your laziness, that you're able to exercise. That I'm exercising every day at 7 a.m. Do it. Start like this. Okay. So definitely weight will come down, because there's no magic. We have to work hard to bring the weight down. And if you say hormonal issues and all this stuff, it is hormonal issues are only happening because we are not exercising. So hormonal issues is nothing more than stress and lack of exercise. So hormonal issues is also not a problem. If you exercise too hard, allow the sweat to go out, then you're I'm eating healthy food, and you have to watch what you're eating every day. When you say this to yourself, and when suppose you're addicted to sweet, and then you have to bring it near yourself and say, do I really need it? I'm sure when I was addicted to chocolates, and when worked on myself on the chocolate addiction, and after that, when I put a piece of chocolate in my mouth, I found the taste very bad. I felt as if I was eating a piece of mud. I assure you it works. So please, and after that, now if I eat a chocolate sometimes, or chocolate coffee or something, I'm okay. But now I'm not addicted, right? I'm eating healthy food. Yes, is a good statement. So all the best to you. Happy weight loss and happy habit changing to all of you. Love you all. Stay blessed, stay safe, stay happy, and stay connected. Bye for now. I want to look at all the thank yous before I end the session.